Hey guys, thanks for being here. This week our video is a little bit different. I have been having a lot of trouble in my pregnancy, and so Travis has been having to pick up a lot of slack, and so we haven't really gotten a ton done on the house. So I wanted to go through and recap just some of the projects that we've finished this year and share some of our favorite clips from them. So enjoy!
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure. One of the projects that we completed this year was renovating our master bedroom and bathroom and closet. These videos obviously are not from this year. This is from when we very first moved in, but this is what that area looked like before we renovated. There wasn't any lighting wired into this bedroom, so it was really dark. I think the biggest difference we made back here was just brightening everything up. And since I went down a rabbit hole looking at old videos putting this together, I have to share this cute video of Lincoln from when we first moved in. So Lincoln, what part of the bathroom are we taking out today?
We're taking the part out and the part out and the part out.
Okay. That part, and that part?
And the toilet.
And the toilet.
Yeah. We're about to bring out the master bedroom closet wall.
So, oh my. Nice.
Oh, got the hammers. Great. Whoa!
Good job.
Mess!
It's a mess, huh?
Mom, you did it. He did it.
This is the other thing you can do too, Link. Anywhere where there's rough parts here, like right here, you can scrape off that.
Hey, Lincoln, look at that spot.
What I'm gonna do is cut a little piece of wood. I think it's a good idea, and it was Max's idea. It was your idea?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it then. Let's do your idea.
It's my idea.
Yeah.
My brain said, to cut that, only that.
Your brain said that?
Yep, and then get that going.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Really? I thought it was my idea.
No, it's mine.
Oh, it was your idea. Man, you have great ideas. You are a smart boy.
Yep.
Damn, that kind of moved on me.
What?
Beep. When in doubt, just hit it with a hammer.
Can't get it down. Whoa. You make it walk, Dad.
Did I?
No. Can't walk it. No. We'll have to start again. Try.
Oh, I jammed it.
Yeah.
Dear Barbara.
We'll have to fix it again.
Well,
That was a bad idea.
well.
We have to get the wood makes it
Well,
stop.
whose idea was it?
My idea and your idea.
I think I just didn't have this lined up right. I think it's lined up right now. Let me put the screw back in and then you can try it.
Okay.
Am I putting you out?
Yeah, you're stressing me out.
I'm stressing you out?
Yeah, because you not make it roll or not roll. No.
That's perfect.
No, it's walking.
It works perfect.
Oh!
You love it?
Yeah, it's cool doing. Today we're gonna show you
what?
Today we're going to be showing you how to make a grid wall.
Another project that we finished this year was renovating our playroom. We added some fun things like a rock climbing wall and a giant magnet board.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome, Mom.
Okay, do the.
2, 1, go!
Oh, false alarm.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, false alarm again! So what is this, Maxwell?
A climbing thing, wait, hold on.
Yeah, we're gonna make a climbing wall over there.
I'm gonna do Max. That one's easier. You do that one. I'll do the hard one.
Thanks for watching, and I hope we'll see you next week. I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about the problems I'm having in my pregnancy, and I would love to hear if anyone else has had those same problems. We'll see you next week.